Hey, what's up y'all? It's another video with Ebony J and I'm doing my hair again. If you like anything hair related, lifestyle related, vlog related, braider related, I am the channel for that. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So today we're gonna be doing a hairstyle that Dearra did like maybe like 2 months ago. So since Dearra's hair was black in that photo that I just showed y'all, I'm gonna be doing clear rubber bands. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but if you have colored hair like me, then you probably just wanna see how this comes out, because I've never put clear rubber bands on my hair before, even when it was black. So we'll see how it turns out. I am gonna straighten my hair with my titanium baby bliss flat iron, the best flat iron. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all step by step everything of what I do. If you're interested in seeing the outcome and the process, make sure you stay tuned. So yeah, let's get started. So y'all, I did half of my head. I did this whole side over here, and I'm about to flatiron this because I don't know if I'm feeling the style, so I'm just gonna straighten this and see how I feel after I get done and leave this side like this. So bear with me. I'm just trying to see how it looks.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. 'Cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me. Women, independent. Throw your hands up at me. All the honeys making money. Throw your hands up at me. All the numbers, profit dollar. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies truly feel me. Throw your hands up at me. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Tell me how you feel about this. Do what I want, live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that he gave you as a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you fund. Depend on no one else to give you what you want. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. 'Cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me. Women, hands up. All the honeys making money. Throw your hands up
Y'all, I will say these clear rubber bands are popping. I just wanted to let y'all know that, just so that if anybody else is about to do this style, you know, they're like popping out of nowhere. I just wanted to let y'all know. But this is the outcome of what's here left. Okay, my hair came out really straight and good. I love that. But we're gonna have to take her out because it's a little tight and the rubber bands are popping. So, but yeah, this is the style. I think it came out super cute. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next video. That took me about like 2 hours to do, so not too long, but yeah.